What's up, YouTube world? I want to talk to you guys tonight about an update on the Walker mower review. I've had a gentleman. He is well known in the YouTube world. If I could describe him, I would say he's kind of the poster child for Walker mowers. He loves his Walker mowers. He loves doing the grass clippings and all that. He loves showing his workmanship, how he can stripe, how he can make everything look properly edged, 100% taken care of. He loves taking the grass clippings to the dump after he's filled up his truck or trailer. After I did the review, I didn't see him online for quite some time. Then all of a sudden he did a video kind of letting everybody know what's going on. But let's put it this way. His Walker mowers have been down. A lot of the times that I've experienced with Walker mowers, when they're down, it's because of things with the tubes, something that's kind of high maintenance about Walker. So I think at the end of his video, he talks about how he went out and got a newer mower, Walker deck. I think it's a 60 or 72 inch, and it has a side discharge. It's not going up in the tube into the hopper. Okay, that's the problem I had with my Walker mower. He's doing the same thing I'm doing. He realized that to take on larger properties, to take on more properties, Walker mower is not the way to go. Walker mower is like a finishing mower that your high-end clients that keep their yards clean on a regular basis, or you keep them clean on a regular basis. Not everybody can pay top dollar to have their yard looking pristine like a golf course. And a Walker mower is a good way to do that. But if you want to grow your business and have regular clients that can't afford the high-end mower on their yard all the time, particularly here in Florida, where they call you out periodically, it seems to be like once a month, you got to realize that Walker mower with the hopper and that small tube that has all the grass clippings that go up in there, it's a great idea. It's great for fall. It's a very small market that fits in for me. And from what I can tell, it didn't fit his marketing strategy either. He went and got a side discharge thing. It's gonna, he's gonna mulch the grass clipping up as best as he can by having a side discharge versus putting it in the hopper. It's kind of just an update. A lot of people that gave me the thumbs down on the video of my review of Walker mowers, here it is. This is an update saying, hey, this is the poster child, without saying his name. And you got to realize that Walker mowers is not designed for every yard. It's a finishing mower. It's not let's go in there and cut down these the real tall grass all the time. And if you like the content of this video and it makes sense, give it the big thumbs up, subscribe, spread the word. And once again, Walker mower is not a bad mower. It's just not for my business. Thanks again. Bye.